The most important third holiday is coming soon, Easter. Baking, kneading dough, baking Easter cake or kulich is not one of my favorite activities. What I really love, and to which I have dedicated a significant part of my life, is crocheting amigurumi. In anticipation of Easter, I have prepared several Easter kits for you, namely 3 kits: Easter bunny, rabbit, baskets, painted eggs, and Easter cake, or otherwise kulich. One of the kits, namely a rabbit in a basket, is very simple and is perfect for beginners, although I cannot say that the other 2 kits are very difficult. But this is still the simplest. The toy rabbit in a basket is currently only available as a PDF pattern on Etsy. I will soon edit a video tutorial, but it will still take some time. 2 other kits are available as PDF patterns on Etsy and as a free tutorial on YouTube. One more kit is a bunny holding an Easter egg. The peculiarity of this toy is that the bunny's legs are made on joints, so the bunny can both stand and sit. The largest kit, which includes 4 elements, is an Easter bunny, a basket with eggs, and an Easter cake, which is also called kulich. All my patterns and tutorials are as detailed as possible. I show and describe all the stages of the process, so everyone who wants to create will definitely achieve a great result. It's important to me that everyone can complete the toy, so I provide high-quality service on Etsy and, if possible, try to answer your questions here on YouTube. From your side, I expect positive feedback in the form of comments, likes, purchases of patterns, reviews and photos of finished toys. This is very important to me. It supports my creativity in this difficult time for my country. I hope you enjoyed my Easter kits and decide to crochet one of them, or even all of them. I'm sure that this holiday decor will be a great decoration for your home, a cute gift for your loved ones. Thank you for crocheting with me. Create coziness with your own hands.